Pun is a literary device that is also known as play on words. Puns involve words with similar or identical sounds but with different meaning. Pun is just like homophone, which means same pronunciation, different meaning. For example, I used to be a banker, but I lost my interest. Here, interest means both a feeling and bank earnings. The bicycle could not stand by itself because it was too tired. We all know a bicycle has two tires, but here too tired sounds like too tired, that means very tired. Just like after cycling for a long time, we get tired and cannot stand properly as because we need to take rest. Just like that. Time flies like an arrow, fruit flies like banana. Here, flies first refer to passing time and second to fruit flies. Pun is used to make language more fun and engaging both in writing and speaking.